Here's why most businesses owners get tax wrong. You are told to get an ABN, register for GST, set up a trust, lodge BAS, file returns, but no one explained the strategy behind it. That's why we do things differently. At Savvy Plus Partners, we don't only lodge and leave. We set you up properly. And every 8 weeks, we sit with you, free of cost, to talk your growth, tax minimization, wealth creation, asset protection, succession planning. This is Nitin Savvy, your former ATO tax director, ex-tax principal at the top 10 firm of Australia. I know the system, how it works, inside and outside. If you want a partner who actually guides you, not a form filler, you know where to find me. Savvy Plus Partners, your tax surgeon. See you then.